Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to delete Reddit comments in bulk. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to delete your Reddit comments in bulk, you need to use a third-party extension or tools like redact.dev or bulk delete Reddit post and comment history. So if you're going to use these tools will allow filtering by date, subreddit, or keyword to automate the deletion process, which is not supported natively by Reddit. So if you're using Redact, then it offers a GUI to mass delete comments and posts. It supports filtering by specific subreddits, date ranges, and keywords. But if you are using a browser extension like Chrome or Firefox, you can use like bulk delete Reddit post and comment history extension that will allow you to delete 50 comments at a time via the old Reddit interface. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.